Hello, boys and girls. Today I have a book about butterflies. This is from the National Geographic. It has some great pictures in it. So this is why I wanted to read it to you, is because it has real pictures. It's a beautiful butterfly here. Kind of has big pictures, so big and little. See all those butterflies? Look, butterflies, fluttering, floating, zigzagging by. They flash like jewels in the sunlit sky. They flit over fields and wander through woods. They glide into gardens and dance through deserts. What are butterflies looking for? Flowers to feed on. When a butterfly lands, it tastes the flower with the tips of its feet. So those feet are like its tongue, tasting it. This flower tastes sweet. Deep inside, it's a sugary liquid called nectar. The butterfly unrolls a long tube on its head and pokes it into the flower. Slurp! The butterfly uses the tube like a straw, suck up the nectar. What's for lunch? What do butterflies eat? Some butterflies drink nectar from almost any flower. Others are picky eaters. They only feed on certain flowers. How does a butterfly taste its food? Do you remember? Yes, with its feet. What's your favorite fresh apples or rotten ones? Looks like this one likes rotten ones. Do you think dead bugs taste yucky or yummy? Look what that butterfly's munching on. A few butterflies prefer to dine on rotting fruit or even dead bugs. Here are some butterflies with their favorite foods. These butterflies like bananas. Do you like them too? Guess what kind of juice this butterfly likes to sip? What kind of fruit juice comes from that? Yes, orange juice. This one's going after the flowers. It's raining. To keep dry, a butterfly folds up its wings and perches below a leaf. At night, a butterfly hangs upside down to sleep. To warm up in the morning, a butterfly spreads its wings wide and soaks up the sun. A butterfly's life may seem fancy-free, but any moment, swoop! A hungry monkey might sneak up and snatch it. See the butterfly here? He's getting that. The monkey's getting the butterfly. A mouse might munch it. A bird might nab it. A lizard might zap it. They have to be careful. How can butterflies stay safe? Some hide by blending in with the world around them. Some have spots on their wings that look like eyes. Eye spots scare away enemies. Boo! So you see how this butterfly is blending in with that flower? And here's the eyes on this beautiful butterfly. A rainbow of colors. A butterfly's wings are covered with thousands of tiny powdery scales. These scales create the insect's beautiful colors and patterns. Each scale is a single color. There's each scale. And an Asian swallowtail butterfly from Asia. That's what this one is. Here's some patterns with the scales. Here are some butterflies from around the world. How many of them have eye spots? Let's see. This is a small tortoiseshell butterfly from Eurasia. Here is a blue marfo butterfly from South Central America. Here is a common buckeye butterfly from North America. Here is Pallas frutillary butterfly from Eurasia, and a blue pansy butterfly from Asia and Australia, and a common Mormon butterfly from Asia. So all different types of butterflies from around the world. A mother butterfly flies from plant to plant, tasting them with her feet. She's looking for one her babies can eat. When she finds the right plant, she lays her eggs on it. So she's going to lay her eggs right up here. You see the tiny, tiny eggs she's laying? And down here, here's the egg she's laying down here. The eggs hatch and out creep the babies. The babies are tiny caterpillars, very hungry caterpillars. A caterpillar gobbles up the plant it's on. It eats and eats, it grows and grows. So here's the little eggs, and here's the tiny caterpillars that are growing and eating the plant. Wiggly. It grows so big, its skin splits. The caterpillar wriggles out of it. Then it gets too big for its new skin. Again and again this happens. Eat, grow, split. Wiggle. One day the caterpillar hangs upside down from a leaf or twig. It makes a hard, thin shell around its body. The shell is called a chrysalis. Inside the chrysalis, something amazing happens. The caterpillar changes into a butterfly. Can you see the butterfly inside there? Sometimes you can see that. After days or weeks, the chrysalis splits open. Out crawls the new butterfly. The butterfly's wings are crumpled and wet, but soon they straighten out and dry. Fly, butterfly. Now the butterfly is ready to take off, to fly, to flash like a jewel in the sunlit sky. From egg to butterfly. Number 1, here's your egg. That's the first thing. How many eggs do you count on this leaf? You can count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Number 2, caterpillar. How do you think this caterpillar would feel if you touched it? How do you think that caterpillar would feel if you touched it? Would it be happy or sad? Would it want you to touch it or no? Here's the chrysalis. What big change happens in this stage? That's called a metamorphosis. It changes, so that's what we call metamorphosis. And here's a butterfly. Guess what's on the other side of these wings? there's eye spots. So here's some eye spots here. And on the other side, it'll also have eye spots. All butterflies go through 4 very different stages. Here is the life cycle of a blue morpho butterfly. Spy a butterfly. Take a look at this picture. Some butterflies are very good at hiding in plain sight. Can you find the butterfly in each picture? Look closely. Okay. Grow a butterfly garden. You can lure butterflies to their home by planting their favorite flowers in your yard or in pots. Grow tall plants and short plants. Plant lots of flowers so the butterflies can slurp nectar. Plant brightly colored flowers. Choose a sunny spot. What colors do you see in this garden? And here's some butterfly-friendly plants. Milkweed, butterfly bush, daisies, phlox, Joe Pye weed, cone flowers, zinnias, marigolds, and daylilies. All great plants for butterflies. All right, what did you learn from my book? I learned lots things about how the butterfly can feel with or taste with its feet. What else did you learn?